2021 Toyota Tundra. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its lane departure warning, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auxiliary input. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.